Today I share with you how to cook one pot of juicy noodles. This recipe will make your day. It was everything delicious. To begin, I'm going to be needing oil. In the same time, I'm going to be needing ginger garlic paste. Let that to fry for just 1 minute. 1 minute later, this is what I have. It fries so nice. So what I do now is to add the onions and then stir that together. I fried the onions 1 minute and the same time 1 minute later it fries so amazing. So now I'm going to be adding is tomato and hot pepper. I just add in the hot pepper, then stir both together. I just stir fry that. Next is for me to add in is this Maggi seasoning. Next is to add in is chicken seasoning and then add in salt to taste. So what I do now is to allow this to fry for 2 minutes before I proceed. 2 minutes later, this is what it looked like. It fries so nice at this point and it's setting so amazing. Next is for me to add now is chicken. Over here we have already washed chicken. I just pour in everything and then stir together. I'm going to use this sauce to get this chicken cooked. Trust me, it was everything massive. So after getting everything stirred, I'm just going to cover the chicken with the sauce to cook for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, see what we have. It was popping so beautiful. Look at that. So this is 10 minutes later. The sauce make the chicken to look so juicy, like it was so juicy. I just love this. So this is what I have after 10 minutes. Now I set together. It cooked so nice and it was scenting so beautiful. Next is for me to add in is this meat stock, and the center I'm adding this water. Just 1 cup of water is good to go. And then I'm going to be adding this cow meat, so you can skip this if you don't have, no problem. The chicken is good to go. So just for me to see different things, so that's why I'm adding this. So what I do now is to allow this to boil, and at the same time adding these noodle spices, and then adding these noodle spices, just allow that to turn to boil like this. So just 2 minutes after adding the noodle spices, what I'm going to do now is to add in the noodles. At this point, this sauce is just pumping so beautiful. It was just so juicy at this point. Now I just add all the noodles inside the sauce like that and then stir together. Have you shared this recipe? It was so easy to get done, like it's so easy. And trust me guys, this was so juicy. Like once you, as in if you are looking for that kind of juicy noodles to eat, just trust me by trying this for yourself. I love eating juicy noodles. So this is just one of the juicy noodles you can easily enter kitchen to prepare for your family and the same time prepare for yourself. So I'm going to allow that to turn to boil for 5 minutes like this. Then I stir everything together. At this point, it was pumping so beautiful and scenting so perfect. So guys, have you shared? Like, have you shared? It was everything nice. Like this noodles is so beautiful to try. I just love the scent. I love the outcome. I love every bit of it. Now I'm going to be adding is red bell pepper. Then at this point, everything is going to go down, as you can see, because it's ready to serve. So it doesn't waste time in the heat. So all I do is to stir everything together for just 1 minute for everything to combine. So after that, I'm going to turn off the heat. At this point, it was everything pumping so beautiful. I just love that. See how beautiful that look. It was so delicious. Can you feel this, guys? It was so nice. See how glorious this look. One thing I love about eating noodles, I like to see this stock inside my noodles. Like once I see this stock, it make me like, it made the noodles to sweet me more. Like I just love seeing juicy noodles. So this is one of the juicy noodles you can easily try. The stock was so cool. Everything come out so perfect and everything was so nice. So don't forget to share this recipe and try this for yourself. You are going to love it. See how gorgeous this look. Oh my gosh, I love you. See now, we don't have to enjoy. So all you have to do is to share, follow this process to get this done. This one of the recipe you can easily enter kitchen to prepare for the family when you are looking for, oh, what am I going to cook today? Just enter kitchen and prepare this. They are going to eat and appreciate you. I love you in my next one. Bye.